Here's how to shade with a ballpoint pen. Now, in order to do something like this, the three things we need to know: hatching, how to create gradients, and basic light and shadow knowledge. So the first thing you need to know how to do is hatch. Now, hatching is an art technique done by drawing parallel lines consecutively to indicate shade or shadow. Knowing how to hatch is the foundation needed for building layers of shade when using a ballpoint pen. You can create hash marks or lines going in different directions. It could be diagonally, horizontally, vertically, whichever is easiest for you. And by simply drawing the hash marks close enough to where there's no space in between, you can already create some level of shading. If you add a little pressure control to that, now you can create lighter and darker tones. And pressure control is basically the amount of force applied when drawing hash marks. It's a simple principle. The more force you apply, the darker the marks you create. The less force you apply, the lighter the marks you create. That way you can create a contrast between light and dark by the force applied. Although hatching and pressure control are the basic primary steps needed for shading with a ballpoint pen, cross hatching is the technique needed for creating smooth, well-blended shades. And all cross hatching is drawing parallel lines that are intersecting, going in the opposite direction of the initial hatching done. Cross hatching is also a more effective way of building layers of shade that are smoother. And that's it for this video. In part 2, we'll talk more about building gradients. Please feel free to leave feedback on what you liked or didn't like about this video so you can help me improve. Until next time, peace.